I always grew up in very urban areas, and I just grew very tired of seeing dull colors. And it makes me feel detached from nature.
You'll be surprised how many students don't know there's a basement in this high school. I'll tell students like, yeah, there's a gardening club, the makerspace. They're like, what's that?
So, let's just kind of see the other one. So we're building a nice little tent for the plants, because some plants, they don't really like that much shade. They don't really like sun that much, so I'm trying to accommodate for all sorts of plants, all sorts of flowers, like that too.
Oh, the door. You want to give them a tour inside of your house?
We have a lot of tomatoes in there. We got a lot of peppers. We got some strawberry. We got some morning glory over there. We got some flower, borage, and milkweed there. It's really hot in here, and the plant loves them.
Okay, so you see all those plants over there and carps?
So here's some of our pieces called a peak wall. So it's just a wall made of peas plants that growing straight up. Next to those two are also hydroponic buckets with some tomatoes and some of the seeds we started. And then next to it is the big hydro. It's one with a reservoir in it, so we just had a lot of plants. And we have a lot of strawberry in here right now. This is used to start a lot of the transplant that we do, since we don't have a lot of space to put other seedlings in. So we need to use this guy for smaller plants and stuff. And then on the wall behind it are also just seedlings. We have a lot of sunlight there, so we put them there because those need more sunlight than the one in the hydro. We also have another seedling station here. This cart has a lot of heat mats on it. So the heat mat keep the bottom of the tray warm and stuff, so the seed germinate faster. It just heats up the bottom of the trays and the soil keep it warmer, so the seed germinate faster.
So right now we have a little too much. We have a little too much plants right now, and we just want to have a greenhouse so we can keep it outside where they receive more sun and heat, and then we can start moving them into the garden outside.
We do have shade from this guy. Yeah. So maybe we want the squash on this side. And then the corn really loves the sun, so maybe we want the corn on this side? Yeah. Okay. All right, you guys lay out your roles.
Because I feel like through nature, you can really bond and build a community with people. By being the head of the club, I really find peace and solace with a group of students who I feel like have now become a very vital part of my life.
You're not supposed to bury the crown or rot the plant itself. So you want the soil, right, to be right around here. You don't want to bury this part. You got it.
So don't bury this part?
Yeah, do you see this part right here? Do you see all this yellow part, right, guys?
Yeah.
Gardening to me is like a form of art. It's also a form of therapy. You know, it's really peaceful when you do it. And I want to spread it to more students because I feel like some of them really need it.
How I feel about the garden is that we are relatively small and a lot of people do not really know about us. So outreaching to other organizations and other communities is so amazing because the look on their face to know that there are youth that still care about the environment is almost priceless on their face. And I would like to continually see that more